Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alives and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In question number 5, two functions are defined. The function f is defined as x square from 0 to 3, 3x from 3 to 10. You can see that the function f is defined in two steps, mean in two pieces. So it means we can say that f is a piecewise function, and similarly g is also a piecewise function. So you can see here the domain of the function f and the function g is same. Means domain is from 0 to 3 and 3 to 10, and similarly 0 to 2 and 2 to 10. So the domain is spread over 0 to 10 for the both f and g. So if we consider the graph of f of x, this is the graph of f of x defined in a two piece from 0 to 3 and 3 to 10. 0 to 3 function is defined as this one. At 0 it will be 0 and at 3 it is 9, but at 3 it is 9 and at 10 the function value is 30, this one. But for the function g of x, its graph can be illustrated as 4 and 30. Sorry, at 2 it is 4, this one, and at 2 it is 6, straight line, and at 10 it is 30, this one. So you can see here, when the function defined in a piecewise, so we have to observe the behavior of the function at the end point, usually. Not every time, but usually. So from 0 to 3 the value is between 0 to 9, but at 3 its value is 9, at 10 function has a value 30. Okay, it means for each value of x there is unique image of y. Understand? But for the function g of x, you can see here from 0 to 2 value 0 to 4, but for the second branch 2 to 10 function value is from 6 to 30. So you have for x is equal to 2, two images of y. It means you have this situation. This is x, this is y. For each x you have 2y. This is wrong. It will not satisfy the definition of function. So it means f of x is not a function because it has 2y for 1 x equal to 2, while there no such situation exists. So f of x is a function while g of x is not.